Hello students, in this video I'm going to discuss about the Eastern Highlands. This Eastern Highland region lies between the Labrador in the north to Alabama in the south. This Labrador and Alabama are the name of the two countries. Okay, and this particular region is located in the eastern margin of the continent and include islands and the plateaus like Greenland, then Laurentian Plateau and the Appalachian Mountain. Okay, so this Greenland is again the largest island of the world and is also a high plateau too. And this Laurentian Plateau along with another plateau, the name of the plateau is New England High, are actually old forested land. Which are being dissected by many river valleys. Okay, this Appalachian Mountain is an old fold mountain and are include another two mountain. One is Allegheny, the Blue Ridge and the Piedmont Plateau. The elevation of all Appalachian is near about 2000 meter and Mount Mitchell is the highest peak. Okay, this Appalachian and this Labrador Plateau are being separated by a river named St. Laurence River. Okay, now let us see about this region in the map. So this is the location of this Eastern Highland. You can see the Eastern Highland is actually present in the eastern portion of the country surrounding this Atlantic Ocean. It is starting from this Labrador in this portion and extending up to this Alabama region in over here, which is including the plateaus like the this is also a portion, this Greenland region, actually not only from Labrador but just before of the Labrador also. So this region, this Greenland portion, it is starting from here and extending up to this portion. So this Greenland is the plateaus that are falling under the Eastern Highland are the Greenland Plateau, which is located in this portion, then the Laurentian Plateau and the Appalachian Mountain. So this Greenland is actually one of the largest island of the world, and it is also a high plateau, this Laurentian plateau and the plateau of England. So this region is actually a forested region of the own land which are dissected by many rivers. You can see the presence of many rivers, and these rivers has from different valleys in this particular region. Next is this Appalachian Mountain. You can see the Appalachian Mountain range in this particular region. It is an example of an old fold mountain region. These are actually the erosional block of the mountains. Why erosional block? Because this mountain is this is an example of an old fold mountain, means over here vigorous erosion has been taken place, and a result of that this height of this Appalachian Mountain has been reduced, and that is why we are calling it as the erosional block of the mountain. Okay, this Appalachian Mountain has been divided into three portions. The one is the Allegheny Mountains, then the Blue Ridge, that is present over here, and the Piedmont Plateau region. Okay, this and the average elevation of this particular region is about 2000 meter, and Mount Michel you can see present over here. The height is 2037 meter, is the highest part of the Blue Ridge Mountain, and also the highest peak of this Appalachian Mountain too. The Appalachian Mountains are separated from this Laurentian Plateau by a river, and the name of that river is River St. Lawrence. So you can see in the map too that here the St. Lawrence River is present, and it is separating the Appalachian Mountain region from this Laurentian Highland region. The eastern flank of this highland slopes down to this Atlantic coast, means these portions of the mountain. Over here there is a fall line of abrupt slopes, so small rivers of this fall line. So you can see the small tiny rivers are also present in this particular region. So because there is a fall line, means the slope of this particular region is very steep, and over here we get means over here all these small small rivers that are present in this particular regions, all this have are also a swift flowing region. Why swift flowing region? Because they are falling from an high elevated slope, and thus this all these rivers has got a high energy, and this high energy is very much useful for the hydroelectric power generation. So this is all about this Eastern Highland region. I'm going to continue with the next portion in next part in the next video. Thank you everyone.